Hello guys, hello everybody, hello you. Welcome to my channel CreuzArt, and today we are in Amsterdamse Waterleidingduinen. So guys, before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video to your family and friends, and also hit the bell button to receive notifications whenever I posted a new video.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
So guys, the Amsterdamse Waterleidingduinen is just a very nice place to walk or stroll around, and this is where we can actually see a lot of nature. So when I say nature, you can like see a lot of birds, deer, foxes, like anything you can think of. Also like with rabbits and other different kinds of animals. But dogs are not allowed here, like your own dog and cats. And because you cannot really bring them here, because if you will bring them here, it will like, you know, if maybe they will see a lot of different kinds of animals, they might chase them. That's why they're not allowed. But this is just a very nice place to walk, and it's just super nice to stroll around because you can really feel and hear the sounds of the trees or a lot of things. So guys, this is the first deer that we saw here. Oh, there are actually two. The one is like dark one and the other one is the normal deer. And this is just when you are just strolling around, you can just really see them like this walking around. So what we have to do is just we have to be quiet while we are walking, so we don't disturb them from what they are doing. So that is very, very nice to see and look at. Such magical creatures. They're very beautiful. Okay guys, we have a dilemma. Are we going left or are we going right? Are we getting lost or are we not getting lost? Oh my god. We're just going to take this route. The only way where we can really like see where we are going is to just follow this poles here, like that. So you can see that this one is like green and the other one is red. So we're just going to follow the green one so we don't get lost in this place, because you know it's also difficult of course if we get lost in this place because it's just so quiet and there are no people around here, so it would be very difficult if you don't know where you are going. So guys, right now we already walked 3,645 steps or 2.31 kilometers, and we are still in the middle of nowhere. The place is just so magical. It looks very quiet and I just really love the place. We are just going to keep on walking, and later on I hope we can still see some animals like deers or some foxes, but we have to find them. So let's just continue walking and just enjoy with me. So guys, again, after walking some steps, there are like a pack of deers here right now. I don't know what you call really when they are in group, but let's just call them a pack for now. But look how many they are, and they're just walking around here like this. They're just looking at us like, what are you doing in our territory? But yeah, they're just chilling here, eating their own things or eating the grass, and they just look so magical. If you are lucky, they will approach you, but I am just so happy that we found them right now here. So guys, see, I am just very near them. You can just really like almost touch them, but it's so nice that they're just chilling there right now. We just we have to be quiet because or they will just really run, you know. So it's just so cute. They're really pretty. They're just really chilling right now there. This is what we found here, and this is like a bunker from the World War, but this is what it looks like. I didn't expect to see this actually, but look, this is just like some remnants from the World War, and it's just like this. So I think during the World War, this is where they go inside, of course, but now it's filled with a lot of sand. So it looks like that, and there are also like bunkers there, and this one too. So the soldiers, or yeah, they are just here hiding in this trench. So like that. So this is like number 38. We're just going to check inside of it just a little bit. Wish me luck. Oh my god, just be quiet. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's just like this. Oh, there's a lot of things inside already. Oh my god, look at that. It's just like that. It's kind of scary though. So, oh my god. Okay, I'm just going out right now. I'm so sorry, but it's also a bit scary. But that is bunker number 38. But it looks like that. Ah! No! They ran away. I think they got scared. Just walking. Oh, and there is a path already. Like, it's not a cobblestone, but I don't know what to call that, but it's now a path. And what can you see here? It is the road again. If I'm going to check my Fitbit, I already walked like 5,972 or something, and we've walked around 3.8 kilometers. With just little bit of walking, we already achieved like almost 4 kilometers of walk, which is like really amazing, and I did really enjoy the view and the walk. It is such an amazing day, and even though the weather is not super like warm, but it is just enough. It's just a lovely weather to walk. So we're back here to where we have started. So guys, that's everything for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and to share with your family, your friends. And again guys, I'll see you next time, and thank you again for watching, and bye bye.